Hello children, welcome to Value Education. Today we will learn Unit 4, Love is Life. God is supreme, He is almighty, He created the universe as well as all living beings. Along with universe, God has created all living creatures and He loves all His creations. Whatever He has created on this earth, He loves all His creations. All saints teach us the way to love, the path that leads to God. The saints of all the religions teach the one thing, that is to love others. Loving others is the way or the path which take us to God. If we love His creations, we also love God. When we love the creation of God, we are loving the God also. If a man does not follow this principle of love, there is disorder and disharmony on the earth. When we do not follow this rule of love, then there will be an imbalance and disharmony or no unity on the earth. Love is nothing else, it is caring for others. Love makes all living beings live happily. You need love just as you need air to breathe. It is the love of your parents that makes you grow. Love is a health-giving tonic. It works as a tonic. A famous child specialist used to write TLC every 3 hours on the charts of weak children in his hospital. The nurses understood what TLC was. TLC means tender loving care. That is, for every 3 hours, the loving care should be given to the children. Then the children recovered only with a few medicines. Love heals, it cures. Children who are unwilling to go to school are convinced by the love and care of their mothers. Though the child is not willing to go to school, if his or her mother convince them with love, then the child, though unwilling also, it is ready to go to school. Love makes one proud of the success of others. It does not envy. That means it will not make others too jealous of the others' success. Love wants to give rather than receive. It rejoices at being together. Love makes very happy all persons by being together. It finds happiness in caring and sharing. Love not only heals, not only makes one proud of the success of others, but it also forgives the mistakes of others. And the supreme manifestation of love is sacrifice. If you are loving or caring anybody, it make you to sacrifice for them. You are ready to sacrifice anything for the happiness of others. Love is gentle. It makes us generous and kind to others. Love never dies. All great men and women of the world are people who have loved others. They are remembered by their loving deeds. When you take care of others, when you love others, then you will be ready to sacrifice for others' happiness. So your loving deeds are remembered forever, though you were alive or not. Not only human beings, even plants and animals need love to grow. Pet animals move around us looking for our love and attention. When we show love and attention towards them, even the pets will also be very happy. Trees and plants around human habitation yield more fruits because we pour the water, we take care of them. So because of that, the trees and the plants which are grown around the human habitation, around the human residences, will give more fruits. Children, I hope you have understood this much. Next will be continued in the next part. Thank you.